Ohayou gozaimasu minasan, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to a car meet. We are going to Tanoshi at Cobham Services, which is basically the UK's Daikoku, which is sick. And as you know, we've been to Daikoku a few times, absolutely epic, and this is sort of England's version of that. It's not so frequent as Daikoku. It's not, you can go there on a random night. Today is Saturday and they've moved it forward a little bit, so it's going to be nice. We're going to get a bit of sun because it is beautiful here in England at the moment. First, before we do that, what I'm going to be doing is having a little look at the steering on the S.1, because after I got the alignment, if you watched one of the previous videos, there's a little bit of a wobble. So we're going to have a look underneath real quick. I'm not sure how much I'm going to show you because I'm kind of pushed for time. Let's get it. Nothing seems to be loose. Touch wood, but everything seems to be tight. So if you guys know what might be wrong, please comment down below and let me know. At the moment, I think it's probably wheel balancing, and then with the play in the steering, I'm thinking it might be the steering rack, maybe. So we're gonna have to have a deeper look at that. Maybe I'll do a video on it, maybe I won't. I've still got a few videos from Japan, so stay tuned for that. Please subscribe if you want to keep up to date with all the content, and if you're new, really appreciate it. Right, so we are now ready. I've just started the car and God, it's so bright. First car meet of the year, first car meet back in England. The last car meet I was at was the one in Osaka, which was insane, so not gonna hold that up to high standards, I don't know. So we have arrived. I hope you enjoyed some of that. We've got walkie-talkies. So we've just arrived we just arrived at Cobham and the walkie-talkie's going off, so please excuse that. There's a bit of a queue coming in. There's always a queue whenever there's a car meet here. Obviously we've had a nice chilled drive up. The weather is lovely. We'll show you once we get inside, because right now we need to concentrate on getting in. Yeah, Ronnie. So we are finally here and people are still turning up. We're really early. That's nice. S13. Hopefully we're going to get some really good shots for you guys today. All of the people are out. I didn't think anyone was going to be out, but everyone's here, so we're going to walk around, ignore the music. If I get copyrighted, that sucks. Another S14, part of the S chassis gang. But we got a nice little lineup here with all white cars, especially a few Nissans. So we got mine, got Luke's Stager, this is the actual Stager that we went in on that video. So I'll tag that up here somewhere. And then we got Frankie's PS, which you've seen before. Jared's there. We've got James. They're all hanging out there. We've got Elliot as well. R34 here. And then the man of the hour, Jason, with his full J's Racing FK8, which is sick. Man. Whoa, what?
The roll cage.
Mate.
Work bill.
That's sick.
Full interior change, drive carbon.
What?
Signed by the
is so cool.
And on my steering wheel signed as well.
That's so cool.
And this roll cage took like 10 months.
10 months?
Yeah.
This car is sick. Jeez. I'm not surprised, to be fair. Mate, this is so sick. Well done. It looks so cool. So aggressive. Oh mate, I love it. I do love the FK8s. That's the dream. Oh, that'll fit in mine, definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, I've got Nismo on, but that's sick. That's so cool. I can't do it, my ears. My ears are so... Obviously, just walking around, and we're going to point out all the cool cars. People are still coming in. Don't really see these just yet, but they will be here, probably. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah. Hello. That's okay. I don't mind that. Do you know what though? I like that. That's really nice. I need to get more for mine, to be fair. That's really nice.
YouTube channel that does all the stuff, like all the custom stuff.
This is one of the cleanest S13s I've ever seen. It's kind of like got this weird stock vibe to it, weird non-stop exhaust. So I can't tell if it's actually been. And then it's still just side skirts. But it's very cool. So we actually know this guy Vinny, very cool R34 with the bridge seats. Very similar bridge seats to mine, but obviously these are Lomax. Can't really tell on camera, but the paint, well, you can kind of capture it. It's just crazy, Evo. We have a friend, guys. Another F15. And then we have a Z. Whenever you see an S15, there's always a Z, I swear to God. Oh, it's got the Fujitsu. No, that's Kakimoto. That's like Kakimoto racing. That's quite nice. This is pretty cool, this S2000. That wing is massive. Jeez. This bonnet's very nice. What bonnet is that? Is that Jay's Racing? You might know one. Is this Jay's Racing one? Cappuccino. I kind of want one, but I'd look silly. Another S2000. And then another S2000. What is going on? That's pretty cool. I like that. And we have another friend. An S15. Let's go. This is it. I know I have one. And this is the non-aero kit, but I still appreciate one. This is very cool. That's very nice. Some preludes. We got an S14 over here, and then we have Tanoshi. This is very clean. Oh, it's on stock wheels. That looks really cool, actually. Wow. This is really cool. I like this. Oh, he's got no trim back here. He must have just done the coilovers because you have to take the trim out.
Yeah, just got PC.
Wow, this is nice. So this is the S15, and then another. Wait, what? What? I've never seen so many S15s. Jeez, he's on the work meisters. Let's go. This is cool. This is nice. Oh, he's got smoked rear lights, and he's got turn down. This is really cool though. I like this. But I like mine more. Jared just pointed out the Nissan Sunny. This is really cool. We have another S chassis. This is so sick. This is sick with the Canon exhaust. Probably. Oh, so it's actually a Sil 80, which is very cool. We like that. We have an FD. There's what looks like a Rocket Bunny kit. Yeah. Oh my god. The khaki motor exhaust. That's so nice. This is kind of like Stradman spec, like the white wheels with the purple. This is quite cool. This is not how I would do it by any means, but it's very cool. Is it real carbon? It might be real carbon. That's pretty cool. Please guys, please F in the chat. I'm sorry if this is your car.
It did it
Very
for
cool.
because he did it one piece at a time.
Very
all the time. He'd bubble up in the walk.
And we have another S chassis. Another one. Could you guess? And another S chassis. What's going on? I think wait, do I know him? I might. I think I do. Maybe. Right, so we've just arrived home, and as you can see, it was very, very hectic. The meet ended at 6. It is currently 22:06, but at Cobham you're only allowed 3 hours, so we decided to make a move. It was getting a tiny bit rowdy, but it was all good. We had a nice chilled drive home. It's still quite nice out. It was very busy, which is why we kind of wanted to leave at a decent time. But we may be doing a little bit more after this, we may not. Jared is up for doing something, so am I. I'm a bit hungry, which is why I've come home first, but we're gonna see where the night takes us. So stay tuned. If there's more to this video, then you will see it right now after this clip. If not, then thank you for watching. Please smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and stay lucky, possibly.